Today was a bit of a dicey one, so I came into the markets a little bit earlier today and started setting everything up. I drew my trend lines here, like this is a price line, this is an actual trend line here, and we were coming in, we were trading through this, we broke through this trend line and this price line right here. So I said if we put in a little bit of a green bar, volume wasn't, which you can't really tell it right now because of the volume down here, but volume on this candle was very low, so I was like, I'm going to go short here. So I did, went short. Price came down. I started tightening my stop up because we were approaching this line. My target was at this line, but I started tightening my price up, and I tightened it just a little bit too much, and I got ticked out. And then it came on down. We broke through, and then I decided to take another entry. I added on this one because of what I was seeing, and then we popped down. My stop down here, we were 3 ticks away from my stop. We were at 875. I was at 8. And it just boom, and then came right back up against me. But it happened so fast I didn't have a chance to really move my stop, so I was still at a break-even trade on that one. So then we came up here. This was a mistake on this one. We pushed up, and I was trying to put in an order to buy. I was trying to be a little bit, I don't know what you'd call it, greedy, I guess you would say. Some people say put your stop where or put your entry where your stop would be and stuff. So I was kind of splitting the gap on it because I was like, if we get through this line, because volume was picking up, and this was a red candle at the time, you can see the volume's lower. I said, if we get through this, we're gone. So I tried to put in a buy order down here in the charts. If you put in, let me see if I can click. Yeah, right here is sell stop because the price is above where I'm trying to put it in. It changes the sell stop. So price pushed up above, and it put it in as a sell stop instead of a buy. So it triggered it as a sell, and I immediately reversed it up here. So then it pushed up. You can see close and entry here, and then price pushed on there. Again, here I was moving up in 8-tick increments. My target was up here. I would have been done on this candle, but I just moved it just a little bit too tight, and then I had to take another couple of entries over here to exit, and then one final one because I miscalculated what I actually needed to fund the account. And so I took one final trade here on this last push up, and this account is funded. So there's a lot here. If you have any questions, just ask. I've covered a lot of things in my videos prior. We were supporting back on this trend line here. The moving averages were here. We were pushing into VWAP, but we had a lot of volume, and the red candles and any candles that we pushed down really low were showing low volume. So it made me confident that we were going to push higher, and we did. We broke through VWAP, came back and retested it, and then took off. So overall, good trading day. Another account funded. I'm building these up before I start trading them all. So again, any questions, let me know. Hopefully you have a wonderful Wednesday.